How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll quickly show you on how you can make a multicolor background in Geometry Dash. So the first thing that we are going to do is to add a gradient trigger on our level right here. So it's going to be this exact option. Now it's going to turn your background white. Don't panic, it is extremely normal. Click Edit Object, and then for the base option right here, you want to choose something like a blue color. And for the detailed one, which is going to be in my case group 3, you want to choose something like a pinkish color. So as of the moment, it's going to look something like this. The next thing that you want to do is to add a pulse trigger in order to do those multiple color background effect. So you can just add a pulse right here. Click Edit Object, and then you want to target the channel ID blue. And for this one, let's do something like HSV, and then you want to choose something like 90 on the U. For the fade in, you then want to turn this to 1. The hold is going to be something like 10. And then for fade out, you could just leave it at default. Now let's do the same thing for the other color, which is to copy and paste the pulse trigger right here. Click Edit Object, and then just edit the channel to 3. Click OK, and then it should look something like this. So the only thing left to do now is to simply highlight this 2 pulse option. Click Copy and Paste, and then you can just place the second set of pulse trigger where you want the next set of color to take place. And then the last thing that you want to do is to highlight every pulse trigger, click pause, and then click on the create loop option, which will then loop our effect right here infinitely. And so it should look something like this. It's really beautiful and amazing. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.